There's a new way to start your mobile welding business. Hello, family. My name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I'm the owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of HogOn University. Today, I want to talk to you about the 140 units. This is a Lincoln 140 unit. I like this unit, but I just want to talk about 140 units that actually can weld the thickness that is required to actually get your mobile welding business started. This unit right here is a multi-processor unit, so for those who are combo welders, you can TIG, MIG, and stick with this unit. You can do 4 different processes. So in the field, when we're doing mobile welding, a lot of times we're using stick rods or flux core, doing repairs, fixing gates, putting in ornamental repairs, or if you're working on some type of structural steel, you're doing stick welding with 70-18 rods. You can be able to burn this on a small scale with a 140. 140 unit, the one thing about the 140, it gives you a little bit more amperage where you can get a little bit better, deeper penetration, especially when you're trying to weld on materials no greater than a 1/4 inch. I'm gonna say no greater than a 1/4 inch. Anything greater, you have to do multiple passes, but to get you a good solid pass, you can use flux core with this. Flux core with this unit allows it to get a little bit hotter. In the field, flux core is where it's at. You can get a strong weld. Some people say the weld might not be strong, but the welds are strong using flux core. So it's all based on the welder knowing how to lay down a correct weld bead, but you can use a 140 unit and you can accomplish a lot. So for those who are getting started, into the mobile welding field, you can actually use your car. You can put this in your car, your gloves, everything you need, your backpack, and you can go get a job, get the little money, go back to your residence. So you don't have to start with a big truck anymore if that's not how you're able to start. But you can start by getting you a used unit or getting you a new unit. This is one that I got a chance to buy. I really like this unit right here. No, I'm not sponsored by Lincoln anything, but I do purchase their products. I started learning with the Lincoln Welding, Lincoln Electric products, and I just been sticking with them. I think they're easy to learn, and I like the flexibility of them. I mean, it's just a brand that I like. When it comes to teaching and doing certain mobile repairs, I just mess with Lincoln. But I just want to say, for those who are jumping into it, there's many different machines out there. There's many different companies who got nice units. I would say don't get nothing that's 125. That's kind of like a sheet metal type of welder. But if you're going to be able to do something like work on cars and maybe do some auto repairs and certain things, 140 can get you up there, especially if you're using flux core. So I would say learn how to use flux core. Is the new wave. It most definitely can get you started with a small machine. I've seen people pull up in their cars with this unit and still get some money doing some repairs. So there's so much you can do. You can save time, you can save money, and you can get started. The goal is to get started. You can get started while you're still working. While you're still working, you can save your money, get you a small unit, use your vehicle and do repairs, and then you can build your brand up. But we always ask, how can I get started? What type of equipment I need? Get you something you can actually make some money with. Think about ROI, return on your investments. And these are things that they won't tell you in welding school, but things you will learn if you partake of my private welding school of HogOn University. Be blessed, continues to prosper. HogOn.